How to unsubscribe from a YouTube channel. Let me show you. Just like you have the option to subscribe, if you left click it, so you use the left hand side of the mouse, if you press on the subscribe, you have options to turn on notifications. This is extremely powerful for seeing to get notifications when someone that you love creates content. Like, I hope you will turn this on for my content. None, personalized, which means some, and unsubscribe. If you click on this, you are asked to confirm, but if you click on unsubscribe, then subscription removed. This is how you unsubscribe from a YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like.